Sup, broskies. Today we're going to make an underwater volcano.
What is that you have in your hands?
Powders.
Ah, mysterious powders.
And also, this is acid, so I can pour it on my head and it'll go through the hand.
What? I don't think that's what we're doing with it.
Yeah!
Okay, what's in your other hand?
Cabbage red.
Cabbage red. Are you sure that's what that says?
Red cabbage. There's a red cabbage in there.
Yeah, there is.
There's a small red cabbage in there.
No, it's powdered. It's
very
all.
small. It's very small.
That's what it is. It's red cabbage powder.
Small red cabbages.
It'd be like if we used mummy dust. It's like if you take a mummy cabbage and
cabbages are not real. I was joking about
red cabbages are real, and that's what we got that powder from.
Are you talking about tomatoes?
No, I'm not. No.
Why are we having an argument between red cabbage?
Well, I don't know why we're having an argument about it, but I feel as your assistant, I have to tell you that red cabbages are real.
No, they're not. Stop lying to me.
They really are real. They really are.
Then.
There's green cabbage and there's red cabbage. Some red cabbage is kind of purple.
Hey, broskies, would you do me a favor? Google, if you watch this far, Google up if red cabbages are real. I guarantee it will say they are not.
Okay, broski, but fine. So red cabbage powder, or in other words, cabbage mummy dust, and citric acid, the most deadly of all acids. Okay, and what else do you have there? What's in that yellow stuff? What's that yellow vial of liquid?
Oh, that's garbage oil.
That's not garbage oil. What is it?
I thought it actually said garbage oil. I actually thought it said that.
Well, what does it say?
Oil vegetable.
Why are you reading everything upside down and backwards and sideways?
Loyal vegetable.
Okay, so what are we making today?
Underwater volcano.
Yeah, okay.
I told you that.
You did?
Yeah.
Well, we've done this so many times I can't remember.
It's a start.
Okay, all right. Well, all right. Okay. So how do we make the underwater volcano?
So you pour some of this in, you pour some of that in, and you pour some of this in.
Oh, that's bad.
And boom, there's an underwater volcano.
That's how I would make it, all right.
There's no order. If you want to, you could put some ice cream in there.
You think so? I see you've learned to cook by working with me. If you want to, you can put some ice cream in there. That's how we make all our recipes.
And also you can pour the acid in there if you want. I wouldn't recommend it. It would kind of like flow all over down to your floor. I would not recommend doing that. But putting the non-existent red cabbages
are 100% real.
Strawberry powder. We call it red cabbage, but it's tomatoes.
I can see you're a mad scientist. Okay, well, just a sec. Okay, let me pause and come down from this chair because I am not confident you know the steps of this experiment. No, I'm not. I'm making the same video. I don't think we've done anything yet. Seems like we've been making this video a very long time. Do you know what to do? Can you read the instructions?
Yes, you make a building.
No. What do you really do? Read the instructions.
I'm gonna slosh some acid on you.
No! But what do you do? Read the instructions.
Measure 20 milligrams of water in the breaker, then pour the water into the test tube and add... Oh, testing. I like testing humans. Measure 20 milligrams.
What are milliliters?
Milliliters. I'll have to measure the liter. Measure 20 milliliters of water in the breaker.
The breaker?
In the beaker.
Yeah, we go.
Pour the water into the test tube. Add 1 small scoop of red cabbage powder, non-existent. Red cabbage powder, and stir. Non-existent. Red cabbage powder.
Stirring is also non-existent?
No. Add 1 small scoop of red cabbage powder, non-existent, and stir well until the powder is dissolved. Step 2.
Okay, let's do step 2.
Add 1 medium scoop of citric acid.
Okay. Which one's the citric acid? That's good. Okay, you found that one. So add
1 medium scoop of citric acid.
Okay. And then what?
To the test tube. Oh, we're testing humans. And stir well again. And stir well the solution has turned red.
Stir well.
This
Acidic?
This acidic solution will be your underwater magma.
All right. Okay, so we'll start with just those two.
Step 3.
Okay.
Broskies.
Go ahead and read me step 3, Broski.
Measure 30 milliliters of vegetable oil in the beaker and add it slowly to the test tube. Pour the oil down inside the walls of the test tube. So that it doesn't form bubbles.
Okay.
Watch until the end to see step 4. That one is really important. You gotta watch to the end, broskies, or else you'll never know step 4.
Well, that's a nice cliffhanger. But why don't you go ahead and read me step 4? Or shall we do the first 3 steps and then find out?
It makes it better, right?
Well, it's vegetable oil. I don't know that shaking it will really makes it better for me. You go ahead.
Yeah!
Okay.